morning friends, welcome to the ASTRA 2022 program presented by AKKA IAS Academy. In this particular video, I'll be dealing with few basic concepts related to profit and loss concepts. Okay, so let's begin. So profit and loss. Okay, so where do we encounter this profit and loss concepts? In which types of problems we do encounter profit and loss? Based upon selling, if at all there is a commodity and it has been sold, the cost price and selling price and mark price, the profit and loss. So in such kind of questions we'll be dealing with profit and loss concepts, right? So what is cost price here? So what do you mean by cost price? Person, if at all he buys a certain product, okay, so buys a product, so that will be the cost price for that person. Okay, if at all he is buying a certain product for 100 rupees, so 100 rupees is the cost price for that product. Okay, so what do you mean by the selling price here? Selling price is person sells a product. Person sells a product. Okay, when a shopkeeper is selling certain commodity for say certain X rupees, so that is known as selling price. So in the meanwhile, the selling price of the seller is nothing but the cost price of the buyer. We can say that, right? This SP for seller is nothing but cost price for the buyer. Also, we can say it right like this: cost price for the buyer. Okay. So when do we get the concept of profit or loss here? How do we arrive to the profit or loss here? So when the selling price is more than the cost price. Okay, when selling price, the shopkeeper is selling a commodity for certain price. Okay, if at all it is more than the cost price, then comes the profit here. Okay, if at all he is selling for 110 rupees and it had cost him 100 rupees, so this 10 rupees difference is the profit here. Okay, so that is nothing but the difference between selling price and cost price is nothing but profit here. So what is the loss here? If at all, when do we arrive to the concept of loss here? When the selling price is less than cost price. Okay, cost price is more, then it is called as loss. Okay, if at all selling price is 110, okay, and cost price is 150, it had cost him 150 rupees, but he is selling it to 110 rupees. Okay, so then there is 40 rupees loss for him. This is known as loss. Okay, so how do we calculate this profit percentage or loss percentage? I'll be telling you here. Okay, see, how do we arrive to the profit? See, again I'll be rating it here. Profit is nothing but selling price minus cost price. In the same way, loss is nothing but cost price minus selling price. Okay, similarly we can say that selling price will be equals to profit plus cost price. Yes or no? By rearranging this terms here, we can say that selling price is nothing but profit plus cost price. So similarly here, selling price will be cost price minus loss. Okay, so I request you to remember these formulas here. It becomes handy while solving the problems. Okay, similarly, what is cost price here? Cost price will be selling price minus profit. Okay, similarly, what is cost price here? Selling price plus loss. Okay, these are the few basic formulas what you need to remember while dealing with this profit and loss concepts. Okay, so how do we calculate the profit percentage or loss percentage? See, if at all the questions ask what is the loss, you can say directly, right? So 40 rupees is the loss, or 10 rupees is the loss, or what is the profit? 10 rupees or 40 rupees is the profit. Okay, if at all question asks you to calculate profit percentage, okay, what is the percentage of profit the shopkeeper earned? Okay, or what is the percentage of loss what the shopkeeper incurred? So profit percentage is given by so how much profit he did earn, profit into 100. So on what he is earning the profit? On cost price. Okay, so profit percentage is nothing but profit upon cost price into 100. Similarly, loss percentage is percentage is loss incurred upon cost price is incurring, so into 100. So this is known as loss percentage. Okay, and also there is a concept of marked price. Okay, MP, marked price. So what is this marked price? Okay, see, there is a product. Okay, there is a doll here. Okay, there is a product, and shopkeeper, he needs to sell this doll. So he'll be quoting a price here. Okay, he'll be quoting a price, say 100 rupees. He is quoting a price. Okay, what is this price here? It is actually the selling price. Okay, selling price for this customer, and person who is buying this doll, he'll be it will be the cost price for this cost price for the buyer. Okay, see here, one more condition occurs. See, if at all this shopkeepers likes to give a discount, okay, then he'll sell that actually this doll cost rupees 100. I'll be offering a discount of 20%. Okay, so the doll will be for 80 rupees for you. Okay, so what is this price actually? This is called as marked price, and 20% discount has been offered on marked price, so that selling price becomes 80 rupees for him. Okay, so this is known as marked up price. So when the product is normally sold at a price, that is known as marked price. So the discount is offered upon the marked price, so that selling price will be obviously lesser than the marked price. Okay guys, see, now actually we can say that cost price will be, see here, see, there is a cost price, X price, plus percentage of marked price. Okay, percentage of marked price, that will be equals to marked price. Okay, see, 10% marked price, cost based upon on the cost price, he is offering 10% marked price, so that will be the marked price here. Okay, similarly, marked price minus percentage of discount will be equals to selling price, right? That is selling price. Okay, see, also we can say that selling price can be in the earlier here I have written the equations, right? What is selling price and what is cost price. Similarly, we also can say that when percentage profit or percentage loss is given, another formula I'll be writing here. See here, selling price will be equals to 100 plus profit percentage into cost price upon 100. Okay, this is selling price when profit percentage is given. Similarly, when loss percentage given, 100 minus loss percentage, okay, into cost price upon 100. Okay, so this is selling price formula. Similarly, cost price formula can be written as cost price will be equals to 100 into selling price upon 100 plus profit percentage. Okay, or so when loss is given, 100 into selling price whole divided by 100 minus loss percentage. Okay, this is the cost price formula or selling price formula. Okay, this formula you need to remember, so then the problems will be handy for you. Okay, upon substitution in 1 or 2 lines only, you will be arriving to this solution here, guys. So try to remember these basic formulas. See, more 2 concepts I'll be telling you. If at all these type of these kind of questions you will be encountering in the problem here. Okay, so what is that is, consider if there are 2 items. Okay, 2 items. Okay, these are sold, these have been sold. Okay, each at rupees X, okay, so one item at a gain of P percentage. Okay, gain means profit of P percentage, and other item at a loss of P percentage. Okay, see here, these variables are same here. Okay, if at all there are two commodities, one is selling at the profit of 10% and the another commodity is being sold at the loss of 10%. Okay, so then what is the formula? Then overall loss percentage. Okay, then the total overall loss percentage will be given by, see, overall loss percentage will be given by P square upon 100 percentage. Okay, so this formula will come in handy when two commodities, the question type will be when there are two commodities, A commodity will be sold at 10% profit and B commodity will be sold at 10% loss, then overall loss percentage will be P square upon 100. Okay, see, I can discuss you how you will be arriving at P square upon 100, but actually there is a time constraint, so try to remember this formula. And you can directly apply to these kinds of the question. Okay, so another type will be successive discount. Okay, if at all a shopkeeper offers successive discounts on his commodities, so what is the formula? Okay, say let us consider an example. If two discounts of A percentage and B percentage are given, then, okay, discount means subtraction, right? Okay, so that you need to that common sense you need to know. Okay, discounts means not profit, actually it's a reduction in price. So net discount given in percentage is that will be minus A in minus B plus minus A into minus B upon 100. Okay, so this is the formula if at all when you encounter the problems based upon successive percentages. Okay guys, in the next few slides I'll be trying to solve 5 different kinds of problems. Okay, based on these concepts itself, major of the problems you will be encountering in the examination. So try to analyze how I have solved the problems, how the formulas have been put upon. So try to remember the formulas. Okay, so that so while solving the questions becomes handy for you. See, first question is, as A sells a bicycles to B at a profit of 10% and B sells to C at a profit of 20%. If C pays rupees 264 for it, what did A pay for it? Okay, see here, the cost for C we need to calculate. If C is 264, right, the cost of C has been given here. Okay, see how you will be writing the equation here. See, P is equals to 100 plus x upon 100. Okay, I'll tell you what is this x. Okay, into 100 plus y upon 100 into cost for A. Okay, this question is telling from this side. Okay, A sells a bicycle. Okay, so how I have written the equation from this side. Okay, 100 plus x plus into 100 plus y into cost for A. Okay, so that will be giving the profit here. So what is x here? Initially a 10% and y here is 20%. Okay, so what is P here? Cost of C, actually this P, this is cost for C, profit. Okay, this final price. Okay, not profit, final price. Okay, so 264 will be 100 plus 10 upon 100, 10% into 100 plus 20 upon 100, so 20% into what is the cost for A, that we need to calculate here. Okay, so I'll be writing it as A here only. Okay, see here, I hope you can see here. Okay, 264. See, upon solving this, 100 plus 10 is 110 upon 100 into 120 upon 100 into A, that will be equals to 264. Okay, see, upon solving this is 11 by 10 into 12 by 10 into A, that will be equals to 264. That will be equals to 264. So 1.1 into 1.2 into A. Okay, so 264. So 1.1 into 1.2 is 1.32 A 264. So A will be 264 upon 1.32, that is nothing but 200. Okay, see how the formula I substituted. So this you need to remember here. Okay, this you need to understand how I substituted the formula. Okay, so moving on to the next type of question. The cost price of 10 articles is equal to selling price of 9 articles. Find the profit percentage. Okay, so profit percentage will be equals to A minus B by B into 100. Okay, so this is the formula here. Okay, or else what other in the conventional method. Okay, if at all you don't know, you don't remember the formula, how you can be solving the problem is cost price of 10 articles, it will be equal to selling price of 9 articles. You will be taking the LCM and you will be trying to find out the what does one article cost and how much does one article has been sold to. Then only you will be arriving to the profit percentage, right? So this formula will becomes very handy for you. What is A here? What is A here? It is number of articles brought. Okay, and what is B here? Number of articles sold. Okay, hence profit will be 10 minus 9 upon 9 into 100. So that is nothing but 11.1 percentage. Okay, 10 minus 9 is 1 by 9. In the previous video I have told you, where I have dealt with the percentages. Okay, so some standard formulas I have, some standard fractions and percentages I have given, so kindly go through that. Then only the concept of profit and loss while solving these kind of problem becomes handy for you. Okay, moving on to the next type of question. Amit buys 2 cows for rupees 200 each. Okay, he is buying 2 cows for 200 each. He sells one at a profit of 10% and another at a loss of 10%. So find out profit or loss. Okay, see here, what is the cost price here? Cost price is same, right? Cost price is same for 2 cows. Okay, cost price is same, 200 each they have given. Okay, when such case is there, when cost price is same, when profit and loss both are of same percentages, 10%, right? So then there will be no gain. Okay, there will be no gain, that is no profit or no loss. No profit or no loss. Okay, see the conditions that needs to satisfy for this no gain condition is cost price must be same and profit and loss percentages also must be same. Okay, then only there will be no loss here. Okay, try to when you encounter such kind of problems in your examination, so without solving only you will be arriving to the solution here. Okay, try to remember. So I'm dealing with different kinds of problems in this theory part only. In explanation part I'll be dealing with 7 different questions and 3 reading comprehensions. That will be in the next video. So moving on to the next type of question. Amit sells 2 cows for rupees 200 each. Okay, selling price is 200 each. Okay, selling price is 200 each. Cost price they have not given here, CP is not given here. Okay, in the earlier question cost price has been same and profit and loss was same, so hence only there is no gain here. Okay, cost price is not given. Okay, selling price is 200 each, selling price is given. Okay, one he gets a profit of 10% while losing 10% on another. Okay, he'll be getting profit of 10% on 10% on one cow while he'll be losing 10% on another. So what is his overall profit or loss? So the formula will be, it will be loss percentage will be equals to x square by 100. Okay, in the previous video when we were dealing with percentages, I have given this formula. Okay, I had given this formula, try to remember it. Okay, so what is x here? 10 square upon 100, that will be equals to 1%. Okay, see when 2 items are sold at rupees x, okay, one at a gain of p% and one at a loss of p%, so overall loss will be p square by 100, that is nothing but x square by 100. Okay, try to remember this formula as well. So what single rate of discount is equal to two successive discounts of 10% and 5%. Okay, successive discounts. Okay, what they have given, the formula is minus a minus b plus, okay, minus a into minus b upon 100. This is the formula, right? Try to remember this formula. So minus 10 minus 15 plus minus 10 into minus 15 upon 100. So that will be minus 25 plus minus into minus plus, so 10 into 15, that will be 1.5 upon 100. So that will be minus 23.5%. Okay, so this is the total discount here. Minus means discount that is been offered here. Okay, two successive discounts of 10% and 15%. Overall net discount he'll be getting is minus 23.5%. Okay, try to remember this formula as well. Okay, moving on to the next type. A dealer allows a discount of 7% for cash payment. Okay, 7% for cash payment. How much percentage above the cost price he should mark his goods to make a profit of 10%? So this question deals with the marked price concept. Okay, marked price. This deals with the marked price. So marked price will be, formula will be 100 plus y upon 100 minus x into 100. So x percentage is nothing but the discount and y is nothing but the profit. Okay, so therefore marked price will be 110 upon 93 into 100. Okay, so now that is nothing but 118.28. so 118.28 minus 100, that will be equals to 18.28. okay, see, in one step only you will be arriving to the problem when you know this formula. Marked price will be 100 plus y by 100 minus x into 100. okay, this is the formula what you need to remember when you are asked to calculate the marked price. How much percentage above the cost price should he mark his goods? Okay, so this is it, guys. These are the major different types of problems what you will be encountering in profit and loss. So in the next video I'll be taking up 7 different questions based upon profit and loss and 3 different reading comprehension questions. Okay, so if at all you find this video informative, kindly share it. Do share with your friends. Kindly like, subscribe to our channel and do comment in the comment section. Thank you, guys. We shall meet up in the next video.